Hey everybody, this is Henley at Direct Liquidation. Today we have a video from Michaela. She's one of our supervisors at one of our RLC locations. She's doing an unboxing for us today from one of our general merchandise liquidated pallets that you'd find on a truckload of 26 pallets. She's already 3 items in and at $200 worth of inventory. That's insane, considering you spend $3,500 for a full truck and get 26 of these pallets. Michaela's only about 8 items in. We got an LED light here, fan set, and we're at $500 worth of inventory. You can imagine getting 26 of these pallets full of inventory. You can stock your stores and be sure that you have enough inventory to meet the demand of your buyers. The greatest thing is we have these locations all across the country, full of inventory as you can see in the video, ready to serve you for whenever you need new liquidation truckloads. Michaela's about 10 items in, and we're already at $1,000 of inventory. That's insane. Again, a $3,000 truckload and 1 Gaylord is making the value back for you. Here we have a great Greenworks power washer, tool kits, plenty of Craftsman and DeWalt items, some security items, and that's just halfway through the Gaylord. 26 of these. Imagine the time it takes to unbox all 26 and the value that you'd find at the end. Michaela's still going and pulling out more and more. We have, again, multiple locations, so wherever you're located, we're able to service you with these truckloads, 26 pallet full trucks of liquidated merchandise across the country. As you can see, Michaela made it through half of 1 Gaylord, and we're already at close to $1,600 worth in value. That's insane, especially considering you get a full truckload with 26 pallets for $3,500. Thanks for watching today. If you have any questions or concerns, make sure to click down below for all my contact information. I look forward to selling you some liquidated truckloads.